It's a very interesting concept about which Vindhyavali is mentioning here. Bali Maharaj's intelligent wife. Kridartam atmanamidam tri jagat kritam. O Lord Vamanadev, Lord Vishnu, Lord Narayan, this material creation, you have created the entire universe for the enjoyment of your personal pastimes. And often people suffering in the material world, they say, why am I here? What is this? Well, it's lilas, Shrishti Lila, the creation Lila. And this idea is also described by Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Jaiva Dharma, chapter 16. Prameya, Jivas and Maya. Vajranath asks his guru. Vajranath says, if Krishna is so merciful, compassionate, Karunamaya, why did he make the jiva so weak and so minute with independence that he could become entangled in Maya? His guru answers, it's true that Krishna is Karunamaya, overflowing with mercy, but Krishna is also Lila Purushotam, Lila Maya, filled with the desire to perform pastimes. Desiring different pastimes, as this verse is saying in Bhagavatam, Kridartam atmana idam jagat kritam. Desiring different pastimes to be enacted in different situations, Sri Krishna trains the jiva to be capable in all conditions, from the marginal state, tatastha, to the highest state of Mahabhav. To facilitate the jiva's progressing practically towards becoming qualified to serve the Lord, Krishna has also created the lower levels of material existence, the material world, beginning from the lowest inert matter up to ahankara. Having fallen from their constitutional position, jivas are entangled in Maya, are opposed to Krishna, and engrossed in personal sense gratification. Krishna is a reservoir of mercy. No matter how low the jiva has fallen, Krishna still provides him with full facility to attain the highest spiritual position. How does he do that? Krishna does this. This is his lila. This is his pastime. He appears personally before them along with his spiritual abode and his eternal associates. The jivas, taking advantage of this merciful opportunity, can attain a higher position and reach the spiritual world.